everyone, welcome to our channel forensixconceptsforu. I hope you all are aware of the fact that the forms for NTA NET 2021 are out and most of you must have already started preparing for the same. And to help you in preparing for the NET exam, we are starting these NTA NET mock question video series. In today's video, we would be discussing a few questions of question documents along with their solutions and explanations. So the first question is, blobbing can be found in writings written with which of the following? The correct answer is A, fountain pen. Although ball pen writing also shows blobbing, which is nothing but the excessive deposition of viscous blob of ink, but in case of ball pen, blobbing is indicative of the quality of the pen, whereas in case of fountain pen, it is an individual characteristic assisting in ascertaining the writing instrument used for writing. The next question is, when and who authored the first book on question document? The correct answer is B, Albert S. Osborne in the year 1910. The next question is, the term familial characteristics in question document is? The correct answer is B, similar writing characteristics among family members. For all those who belong to biology or genetics background, you must be aware of the fact that the word familial refers to people having some genetic relationship or people sharing a common genetic descent. So in this case also, the term familial characteristics in case of question document is the similarities in the writing characteristics found in the people of the same family or those who are somewhat genetically related. The next question is, the term petroglyphs is used for which type of question document? The correct answer is D, drawings on the wall of the caves. The writings or the drawings that are present on the wall of the caves which are used for the purpose of conveying a message or expressing a feeling is known as petroglyphs. The next question is an assertion reason question. The assertion says that for the comparison purpose of handwriting, non-request standards are desirable, and the reason is they are free of intentional disguise. The correct answer is A, both assertion and reason are true. This is because we all know that when we have to write with an onlooker beside us or when we are under the vigilance of someone, we have a fear of being caught for something. So we deliberately try to change our handwriting in some way or the other. But when there is no one around us, when we have no mental pressure, then we write our natural handwriting, and this is what we look for when we are comparing the exemplars or when we are comparing the admitted writings with the question writings, so that we can get the as far as possible maximum natural characteristics of the writer of that handwriting. The next question also is an assertion reason question, where the assertion says that two people can have the same handwriting on an extended handwriting sample, but no two people have the same fingerprint. The reason here says that fingerprints are unique and handwriting is not an individualistic characteristic of a person. The correct answer here is C, both assertion and reason are incorrect, because we know from our graduation or post-graduation days, if you are a postgraduate or a graduate in forensic science, that handwriting is unique and absolute similarity is indicative of forgery. In fact, handwritings of even the same individuals cannot match 100%, and some degree of natural variation is always present. The next question is, secret writing is written by which of the following and cannot be deciphered using heat treatment? So the correct answer here is saliva. Any secret writing which has been written by saliva and it cannot be deciphered with the help of heat treatment. The next question is, evidence contained in a document provided to prove that statements made in the court are true is referred to as a direct evidence. The next question is, a constant pen lift is seen in which of these following writers? The correct answer is B, poor skilled writer, because someone who is newly learning how to write, or someone who doesn't write frequently, will have a poor skill in the writing, and to bring about a legible or a normal effect of the handwriting, the pictorial effect of the handwriting, he will try to lift the pens at unusual places very frequently, and we will see constant pen lifts in his handwriting. The next question is, which of the following statements is not true? Of the 4 statements that you can see on the screen, the correct answer is B. The handwriting of an individual is unaffected by advancing years. This is not a correct statement, because the laws of handwriting say that with the advancing years and with more practice, skill of the writer enhances, simplification of the alphabets take place, causing certain amount of natural variation within the same writings of the same individual. Also, as we age further and with the deteriorating health conditions, we can also see that the quality of the handwriting becomes poor. So this statement is not correct. The next question is, when a police obtains a written sample from the suspect, the sample is called. The correct answer is B, exemplar. The next question says that which of the following method is used for determining the age of an ink by tracking the degradation of certain dyes? The correct answer here is laser desorption mass spectroscopy. Next question says that in handwriting comparison, the T crossing and the dots on the I and J are known as. The correct answer is B, diacritic signs. The next question asks that which of the following technique is a non-destructive technique for ink identification? The correct answer is D, video spectral analysis, and the instrument used for this kind of analysis is known as VSC. It is video spectral comparator. So we have VSC 5000, and recently we have also got VSC 8000 in a few labs. The next question is, which of the following method is acceptable for the purpose of revealing the indented writings? The correct answer is A, ESDA, or electrostatic detection apparatus. The next question is, in case of handwriting, a short initial or terminal stroke is called. The correct answer is B, hiatus. The next question is, what is the other name of guided handwriting? The guided handwriting is also known as. The correct answer is B, assisted handwriting. The next question asks that the penmanship system represents which of the following handwriting characteristics, and the correct answer is A, individual characteristics. The first GEQD in India was started at. The correct answer is D, Shimla. And the last question is, ACE-V stands for which of the following? The correct answer is analysis, comparison, evaluation, and verification. So first we analyze our samples, then we compare them with the likes. The comparison is always between the likes, evaluating the comparison, and finally coming out with the opinion and verifying what we have observed. So this is what ACE-V stands for.